welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Friday night and we're here in Fields Avenue, Bacio Street, and we're gonna meet our subscriber right now.
This is Fields Avenue. Walking street you don't like. We go to drink coffee later only. Today. It's correct? 57. Here 56.80. So 57 only one. I can check later in Walking Street. How much dollar? Some good parking have.
I don't disagree.
It's a Chinese maybe restaurant, Korean, I don't know. Korean barbecue. Bacio. How to say? Huh?
Bacio.
Albacchio? We can ask Italian guy how we need to say in Italian language.
Albaco or Albaco?
Okay.
No.
Also bar night club Kona. This is Italian restaurant. I don't know where entrance. Entrance here. Until 11 working. From 11 to 11. So this is inside restaurant. Shaira. Go straight. Hi. Hi, Christian.
Hello.
What name of this restaurant in Italy language?
Yes, this
Can
restaurant
you
is-
say?
It's an Italian restaurant. The name is Al Bacio restaurant.
Al Bacio.
Yes.
Al Bacio in Italy language, how to translate in English? Or cannot
English
translate?
is like two kiss, something like that. No, not two kiss, at kiss. But it is not something that exists in English.
Okay.
Language. Bacio is mean kiss.
You've been in Boracay.
Yes.
So how in Boracay now?
Now it's full of people. Most are Filipino and not so many foreign. But the weather was good and anything was good.
Okay.
So restaurant is very expensive.
So in Boracay, so expensive restaurant.
Yes.
In Anglia is cheaper?
Little bit cheaper.
Little bit
maybe,
cheaper.
But if you go in Italian restaurant, of course, it's expensive. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Christian.
Pizza.
No, not tomato inside. Only
This is pizza. Italy pizza. Shaira, what name of pizza?
Margarita.
Margarita. And this one, katsu? Kalsui.
calzone.
So it's the same like pizza, only half and close.
Same in what is this? In Greenwich, we have pizza wrap.
Pizza wrap.
Pizza wrap.
Mhm.
Same.
And
Christian, what is this?
gnocchi al gorgonzola. Gnocchi with cheese.
What with cheese?
Gnocchi is like pasta made with potato.
With potato.
I don't remember farina, but I don't remember the name of farina.
Okay, okay. Same like carbonara, Shaira said.
Same.
But only potato.
Just only they use potato only.
It's potato.
No, not same carbonara.
But it seems like
Inside the same.
it seems like pizza. It's just only-
Tomato inside or cheese. Mushroom, yes.
Cos'è? Prosciutto anche? Mushroom. Tomato. Ma è fatto bene, cazzo, sai che mi...
The same like pizza, only food.
Okay. I don't know where I ate.
È fatto bene, cavolo. Sai che domani quasi quasi me lo piglio. Invece della pasta. Domani.